Hi, it's Miss Lee again, and this video is a continuation from our solving one-step multiplication and division equations. In this video, we have some independent practice problems to work on. So you have 4 practice problems. Go ahead and solve them on your paper, and then come back and check your answers. Our first problem, 8p equals negative 72. Go ahead and solve. Okay, the answer is p equals negative 9. Remember, we need to isolate p, and the operation being performed is multiplication, so we need to do the inverse or opposite, which is to divide. We divide both sides by 8, and we get p equals negative 9. Watch your signs. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. And then graphing your answer on a number line should look like this. Okay, go ahead and work problem number 2, and then come back and check your answer. The correct answer is 81 equals z. Our variable is on the right this time, but we still solve it the same way. It is being divided by negative 9, so we do the opposite operation, which is to multiply by negative 9. Then we have to be fair and do it to both sides of the equation. And a negative times a negative will give you a positive 81, and this is what your number line graph should look like. Problem number 3. Go ahead and solve it on your paper and come back and check your answer. Did you get that x equals 8 7/75? If you did, great job. Looking at our variable, it's being multiplied by 3, so we need to isolate it by doing the opposite or inverse operation, which is to divide by 3. Divide the left side by 3, and you get 8.75. And the graph should look something similar to this. And our last problem. There is a mistake here. It says determine if 12, 13, or 14 is a solution. It should actually say determine if 2, 3, or 4 is a solution to the equation 18 equals 6x. So go ahead and pause the video and solve. Come back and check your answer. Okay, all you needed to do to solve this was to substitute the 3 values into our equation and determine which was a true statement. When we substituted 2 for x, we got 6 times 2 is 12, and that does not equal 18. When we substituted 4 for x, we got 6 times 4 is 24, which also does not equal 18. And when we substituted 3 for x, 6 times 3 was 18, which is what we were looking for. So the solution, or the value that makes this equation true, would be the 3. Nice work.